In this video, we are going to talk about what exactly is WordPress. WordPress is nothing but a CMS system. Okay, when I say CMS system, it means you can create a website without coding it. So you just have a pre-made templates which are there, and you can just install the themes and just start with your website without writing a single line of code. WordPress is one of the famous CMS system, and as per its official website, 36% of the web is built on WordPress. Now that is a huge number when we talk about it. 36% is huge, and this percentage keeps increasing. Previously it was 34, and right now it's 36. Why WordPress? Because WordPress has a lot of options in terms of you can build your e-commerce website, you can build your social networking website. Initially, WordPress started as a blogging platform and still is widely used for by bloggers. The best part about WordPress is that you get a lot of good plugins for SEO as well. So if you're making your website using WordPress, you don't have to worry about SEO as well. You can just install a few plugins and you are ready to rank high on Google. We can look at some of the top websites which are using WordPress. So if you just Google out that, we have got websites of Katy Perry, the official Star Wars blog, TechCrunch, Sony Music, BBC America, MTV News, the New York Times. All these websites are made on WordPress. So this highlights the power of this content management system. And in this tutorial, we will be working on WordPress, and we'll learn how to make a basic business website, as well as we will also learn how to make an e-commerce website using WordPress.